Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Pretty Little Thing try on haul for you. I know you guys love these try on hauls and I have seen a few comments asking for a Pretty Little Thing haul, and today Pretty Little Thing and I have teamed up to bring you this haul. So I have this big massive bag of clothes to try on and I have another little bag as well. Pretty Little Thing are having a massive sale for Black Friday, so I will have everything listed down below if you wanted to check out anything that I got. It'll all be down there and everything should be on sale as well. Okay, so the first thing I have is this Alicia Dusty Pink Frill Tee dress. This color is right up my alley. It looks like this. It is a just beautiful little tea dress. Okay, so here is the tea dress on. Now this one I will definitely need some safety pins in place to hold that in place, or you could just wear a cami underneath, but this is what it looks like on. It's really cute. It is a little bit short. This is a size 14 as well, so I kind of thought that this would be okay, but probably a little bit small. Next up we have the red floral printed frill skater dress. Okay, so this one has like a high button up neck thing with a collar. It feels like quite big up here, but I think like with a black belt this would look really cute. It has got big sleeves, but the print is so cute and it's actually quite festive for Christmas. So yeah, there's that one. I would definitely put a belt with this one for sure. Okay, so next up we have the emerald green tiered long sleeve smock dress. So it's just a pretty basic, just a long sleeve t-shirt kind of smock dress. Oh, this is so cute. Yeah, this is really nice and like really comfortable as well. I am a big fan of the sleeves. Looks really flattering on me. This one again I would wear a belt with it, just a black belt. I think that will look nice, or even a tan belt. But yeah, there's the length of it. So here we have the burgundy jersey wrap midi shirt dress. This one looks really nice. I love this color, so cute. I really like these wrap front with the stretchy material. I find them really flattering and they actually fit over my breasts because I have big ones, and the stretchy material is great, and yeah, love them. Okay, so this one's got like a nice little collar and yeah, just sits so nicely around the waist. That's really nice, and it does have like a little slit up the side there, but yeah, this one's really nice. I don't know if you can see the length of it is actually really good. It's not quite at my ankles, it's just like a little bit above, which is really nice length. I think that this color just makes my hair pop as well. It's so pretty. This material is super comfortable. I'm excited for this one. So this is a white Dalmatian print short sleeve ruched midi dress. This one was definitely like the most fashionable dress. So let's try it on and see. I love this. Oh my gosh, it's actually so cute. I really love this. This is like so different. This would be something that you could wear to like an end of year party or the races, or even like your birthday or something like that. Like, it's just so pretty. But you could also dress it down and wear it something more casual as well. I think the style is really flattering with the V-neck and then the sleeves, like the ruffled sleeves. I think that looks so cute, as well as the rouging down the front is very flattering. So then it's just longer at the back and then shorter at the front. So the last dress that I have is a sage green long sleeve floral tee. Okay, so this is what this one looks like. Very me style. I think it looks gorgeous. I have to say this one's really comfortable too. Like, the fabric has a bit of a stretch to it. Like when you do the zip up and everything, it's actually really comfortable and it will stretch over your bust. Okay, so here is the sage floral tee dress long sleeve. I love this dress. It is so nice. The material is similar to the last one, like stretchy fabric, which is really good. Yeah, this one has long sleeves and I feel like it's really flattering. It does have some buttons down the side as well, which go into a little slit there. And I love the V-neck. I love the structured shoulders. I think that that's super flattering. I just love how it like flows out, but it's really, really classy. I love it. This is just such a me dress. I don't know if this one or I think that this one's now my favorite. I also have a black basic V-neck t-shirt dress, so I'll quickly try that on. Okay, so this is the basic V-neck t-shirt dress. Now it is V-neck in the front and in the back, and that is the length of it. I feel like it is quite loose up top, but then it almost like tapers down at the bottom. And yeah, it's got like quite back wing sleeves in it. I do have some necklaces as well that I'll try on. So this one is the gold Renaissance Angel medallion necklace. Okay, so there's the necklace just hanging from the loosest thing. If I just bring it in like a little bit. It has an adjustable clasp, so you can make it shorter or longer. But these coin necklaces are so on trend. They're just everywhere at the minute. And this gold is such a nice bright gold. So yeah, there's that one. The next one I have is a Nori gold multi-layered lion necklace. Okay, so I'm sure you would have seen these multi-layered necklaces everywhere as well. So the first one is almost like a choker, and then the other one's just, you know, cascade down until you get to the longest one. Now they are all joined, so they're all on the same clasp, but it just looks like you're wearing multiple necklaces. So yeah, that one's really, really cute too. I did pick up some jeans. So these are the Kim mid-wash slim leg jeans. That's what they look like. They do look quite cropped, which I think is why I picked them. Let's see how these ones go. Jeans are sometimes a little bit iffy. I got these in a 14. Now I also did get a pack of black and white basic t-shirts, V-neck t-shirts. So this is the white one on, and then this is the black. So I got these in a 14 as well. So this is how they fit, just like a nice basic t-shirt. I really like the sleeve length, that it's a little bit longer. I think that that's really nice. Okay, so here are the jeans. So they do come up, yeah, mid-rise, just under the belly button. And yeah, this is how they fit. I feel like they're possibly like a little bit like I'm in between sizes. They fit nice, but like there's a little bit of room, and usually your jeans do stretch. I tend to be bigger on the top than on the bottom, but yeah, this is the length of them. I feel like that they could be a little bit thinner at the ankles, but you can also roll them up and cuff them, which looks really cute. So yeah, they feel really comfortable, quite stretchy. If you're in between sizes, I would probably recommend going down. So that is it for my pretty little thing haul. Don't forget to check out that Black Friday sales. I'll have everything listed down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. I will see you next time. Bye. We are young, let's